Yung mentors ay product knowledge. Kailangan po natin talaga malaman ang product na mga binibenta natin kasi syempre yung mga yung mga clients natin ay syempre kailangan nila malaman yung kung ano ang mga benefit ng ating binibenta, especially yung ating flagship ng ating business. Ano na nga po ang ating flagship ng business natin? Meron tayong flagship ng business natin. So, barley po ang ating flagship ng business. Okay. So, welcome to I Am Worldwide Product Knowledge. Okay. Ito po ang ating barley. This amazing pure organic barley powder drink and capsule helps in the treatment and prevention of cancer. It has anti-diabetic content and helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol level. It helps prevent hypertension and arthritis. Barley is also a source of relief from ulcerative colitis. It strengthens the immune system and regenerates damaged cells and tissues. It promotes agility and has rejuvenating effects on the entire body. Okay. Nakakabigay sa atin ng strength ng liksi sa ating entire body, ang ating barley. Barley is the only vegetation on earth and supply na nutritional support from birth to old age. Okay? It is recommended by a science as the most nutritional of all plant food, containing a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzyme, chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our body requires a proper functioning of organs, proper functioning of immune system. In a nutshell, barley promotes good bone health and anti-cancer and colon cleansing substance. Okay, immune system revitalizing, lowering of cholesterol and blood sugar levels, expediting the healing of your body, youthful beauty, and energy. Sa capsule naman po natin, same benefits lang po siya. Okay? Sa barley powder. Kaya lang po, in order na makuha natin din ang benefit ng 68 micronutrients, kasi ang ating barley is meron pong 68 micronutrients. Para po maano natin yun, lalo na sa may mga karamdaman na gustong matulungan yung kanilang karamdaman, kailangan po natin mag-take ng 3 to 6 capsules para sa sa may mga karamdaman. And for prevention, one capsule is okay ba? Pero mas maganda pa rin po talaga ang barley powder. Okay? So, barley grass has a nature's potent alkalizer. Okay, barley grass is a nutritious food renowned for its alkalizing and antioxidant properties. It is made from young nutrients, dense shoots of barley, which are harvested above the ground, ensuring that none of the grains which are harvested above the ground, ensuring that none of the grains are present. So, wala pong grains ang ating barley. This barley grass is gluten-free. Okay? Bakit wala ang grains? Because yung grain po, a lot of people are allergic to that. May mga may mga tao po na allergic sa sa grains. Okay? So our barley basically walang grain. Grass lang siya. Okay, since the allergenic potent gluten is only present in a barley grain. Barley grass is gluten-free. Kaya ang daming nagsasabi, paano kaya naging gluten-free ang barley? Kasi hindi siya yung wheat. Hindi siya yung wheat grain, but it is a wheat grass. Okay, therefore, hindi siya gluten. Barley grass is a rich source of chlorophyll and a wide range of vitamins and minerals and amino acids. Ano naman ang nagagawa ng chlorophyll sa katawan natin? Okay? Chlorophyll, we know na nakukuha natin yan sa plant. In barley, nakukuha natin yan, meron niya, sa barley natin is merong chlorophyll. Okay? What chlorophyll, what, what chlorophyll does in our body is a natural deodorizer. Okay? In short, kahit hindi ka na mag-deodorant, walang mabaho, walang maaamoy. Okay? So, walang bad breath. Yun ang ang ibig sabihin po ng ano. Kaya ang katawan po natin is kailangan po ng chlorophyll. So, these are the natural chlorophyll does for you. Okay? Nutritional properties ng barley. Barley grass contains every vitamin except vitamin D. Most mineral, especially calcium, and all essential and non-essential amino acids, all available in their natural, easily absorbable forms. Okay, so imagine, lahat ng vitamins meron dyan. By the way, kung naalala niyo po noon nung magkaroon tayo ng nagkaroon tayo ng COVID, maraming tao naghahanap ng vitamin C, ng vitamin zinc. So zinc is one of the mineral that is available, that is in barley, and also vitamin C. So yan po ang ang hinahanap ng mga tao noon. That was 2020, okay? So kung naalala niyo po yon. Ngayon, so nagkakagulo nga ng noon, nagkakagulo ang buong mundo noon, naghahanap ng vitamin C. Kasi nga dahil doon sa COVID, doon sa virus na nadaanan natin. So nandyan na po sa barley natin. So marami tayong mga testimony na nagpatunay na natulungan sila ng ating barley, yung mga nagka-positive sa COVID. Okay? So nandyan na po sa barley yun lahat. Okay, vitamin D na lang ang kinailangan natin. And guess where we can get the barley. So meron tayong makukuha na ng good vitamins is naturally. So naturally makukuha natin sa sa araw. So just spend 10 to 15 minutes under the sun every morning should have immunity you need against viruses. Okay? So 19 amino acids are found in barley grass, including all 8 of the essential amino acids. Uh, acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are essential for continual cell building and regeneration, as well as energy production, immune function, and detoxification. Barley grass is actually about 26% protein. So ang taas ng natin na merong protein ang ating barley, which is approximately the same amount of protein found in the same quantity of lean beef. Okay? So alam naman natin beef is na really good for us. Okay? Pero masarap siya, di po ba? Lalo yung steak. So hindi po maganda sa katawan natin ang parati tayong kumakain ng beef. So, when you ate a steak, for example, alam nyo ba, that is 7 to 10 days before you actually digest or matutunaw sa digestive system natin. Okay, 7 to 10 days bago mawala or ma-plus out ang kinain nating beef. Okay, instead of eating that, what we should eat in is quality food like barley. Okay? So, kasi mas madaling ma-absorb ng katawan with all the nutrients. So, mas maganda po talaga yung barley natin is meron siyang 26% na protein. So, instead of parati kayong kumakain ng beef, so ibawasan po natin yon kasi matagal po yan na hindi natin napaplas out. Nag-i-stay yan sa katawan natin. Okay? So, ayun, mas madaling mag-absorb ang itong ating barley sa katawan natin. So barley grass also contains a number of living enzymes and uh, flavonoids that function as potent free radical scavengers. These are compound make barley grass a great nutritional supplement that provides antioxidant and anti-inflammatory nutrients. In fact, some studies show that barley grass extract may be beneficial nutritionally for many health problems, including gastric ulcers, high cholesterols, and even cancer. Okay? Alkalizing properties. Okay, what are the alkaline properties? Okay, barley is a naturally alkaline. So, kaya kailangan po ng natin yan, ng katawan. Um, So, what cause of sickness is yung cause nagko-cause ng sickness natin is acidity. So, acidic that will cause sickness. Now, barley grass is the one of the highest alkaline vegetation filled with nutrients. It helps neutralize excess acidity in your body. It also source of chlorophyll. Okay? So, um, ito po ang chart ng ating acid and alkaline. So, ang katawan natin is kailangan po ng importante po ang alkaline sa katawan natin. So, alkaline refer to the pH balance of your body when your body is in on alkaline state. You are less likely to suffer from chronic diseases. So kung mataas po yung alkaline nyo is malayo po tayo sa mga chronic diseases. Okay? So, alkalinity or acidity is measured by the pH value of body fluids. The pH scale extends from 0 to 14. 0 is being most acidic and 14 being most alkaline. The self-explanatory chart will say it all. Our pH level is supposed to be at 7.5, which is the alkaline is normal. So, kailangan pala tayo ay nandyan po tayo sa gitna. Neutral, kumbaga. An acid body is a magnet of sickness, disease, cancer, and aging. Eating more alkaline foods helps shape your body pH and oxygenates your system. Alkaline foods keep your body healthy and functioning correctly, preventing and combating cancer. Okay, so the food and drink you consume each day have direct impact of the acid alkaline balance in your body. Okay? This balance is measured by determining your pH value, which tells you if your body fluids and tissues are more acidic or alkaline. Okay, an acidic environment promotes to grow bacteria, yeast, and fungi. The imbalance of your body and bacteria makes you grow with infections. You'll be likely suffer for the common cold when your body is less alkaline. So, kailangan po lagi tayong nasa neutral lang po, okay? And also, a cancer prevention, a major benefit of having an alkaline body state is that you might reduce your risk for developing cancer. Kapag ang body natin ay too acidic, is oxygen level are lowered. It can be grow cancer cells. Okay, maintaining alkaline state helps encourage healthy state alkaline turnover, which is key of the prevention cancer. So kailangan po natin kumain ng fruits and vegetables. Okay? Make your body more alkaline, while processed food like the um, refined sugar, alcohol make you more acidic. By eating alkalizing foods, you are more likely to maintain a healthy weight. Okay? So, ito ang yung mga processed food na kinakain natin, yeah, like soda, sugar, refined sugar, alcohol. So, yan po ang mga acidic na pagkain. So, yan po ang iiwasan natin. Okay? According to Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, that the green leaves of the embryonic barley plant contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exist on earth in a single source. It means ginagamit po yung pinaka-baby plant, yung baby leaves dahil yun ang most nutritional po. Okay, excuse me. Pure organic barley, it's 100% young organic barley grass from Australia. Highly alkaline. Ang ating barley is a highly alkaline. Disease can't grow in an alkalinized body. Availability, easily absorbed by your body with a matter of minutes It contains a glucan, a fiber that can work against cholesterol. Has one of the highest natural levels of live enzyme is OD, superoxide dismutase, an anti-aging enzyme. High amount of natural chlorophyll, powerful antioxidant. So this is 25,500 ORAC value. It is not just a supplement, it is a whole food concentrate. Okay? It is the total complete food and natural na formulated. So talaga po is a very natural grass lang po ang ating barley. Okay? And also there are 30 times more vitamins, 30 times more vitamin B1. Ano ba? Saglit. Okay. 11 times more calcium than cow's milk. So yan po ang dapat nating yan din po ang dapat nating ipaano sa ating mga client para makita nila kung gaano ka ganda ang ating barley. Okay? So and also 6.5 times more carotene and 5 times more iron than spinach and 7 times by more vitamin C than orange. Okay? So, meron po siyang 68 micronutrients found in the barley, like 17 types of minerals, 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 18 types of amino acids. Okay, ano ba ito? Ayun. Okay, ito po ang difference po ng ating mga yung fruits and vegetables na ORAC value. ORAC value antioxidant o oxygen absorbance capacity. So, fruits and vegetables like prunes, ang prunes po natin is meron pong 5,770 ORAC value per 100 grams antioxidant value. So ang raisins, meron po siyang 2,830 ORAC value. Ang kale, make sure na ang ano po yan, yung kale po, make sure is a raw and also spinach. Ang kale po is 1,770. Ang spinach raw is 1,260. And ang barley grass po natin is 25,500 ORAC value per 100 grams. Okay? The only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. Okay, barley is a 100 pure organic and it is made from Australia. Ibig sabihin po ng made in Australia ay nandun po ang farm natin ng barley. Okay? And Nutri-Grain herb oil. Nutri-Grain po siya. Exclusively agreement. It means they only agreed sa I am worldwide and we are proudly dahil ang plantation po natin plantation is certified by Australian NESA certified organic, okay? And pollution free. Nutri-Grain Australia operates as Swan Hill, Victoria, a regional provincial center in Australia known for intensive irrigated horticulture and dryland agriculture. Okay? And barley is a food supplement that our body requires a proper functioning and organs and proper functioning of immune system. Okay? Kung wala po tayong food supplement, need po natin ng mga sumusunod na ito na na ano kailangan natin ng 8 hours sleep in order na makakuha tayo ng magandang ano sa katawan natin. Okay? Induces a natural repair. We should have a proper sleep or 8 hours per day. Okay? Next is hydration. Drink water 8 glasses per day. So, um, ako po hindi ko na ano na makapag-inom ng 8 glasses per day. So ngayon ang ginagawa ko po is kumuha po ako ng bote na yung a gallon of ano kailangan natin ng 330 ml para a day, at least 330 ml a day. 8 glasses po yon. So, yun po ang kailangan nating inumin sa araw-araw. So, ang gagawin po natin, mas marami tayong iinumin early in the morning, like morning to middle of the day. So, para sa gabi po, na matutulog na tayo, hindi po tayo babangon-bangon para iihi tayo or ano. So, kailangan iinumin natin yan in between ng ano yung early ano pa, morning and middle of the day. Okay, so yung ako po ganun po ginagawa ko ngayon. So, ang pangatlo natin is organic fruit and vegetables. Kailangan kakainin natin is organic. Eat 7 types of vegetables and 7 types of fruits per day. Okay? So, detoxification of our colon of our colon. So, study shows that we should have bowel movements 1 to 3 times a day. Non-normal constipation is the mother of all diseases. So, kapag po tayo hindi nakakapagbawas every day, nagkukos po siya ng disease. So kaya po tayo nagkakaroon ng mga karamdaman dahil po doon sa hindi po nadidetox yung inside ng katawan po natin. Okay? So painom muna po ako. Okay? And also oxygenator circulation to have a healthy red blood cells. And also vitamin C kailangan uminom tayo ng 7 glass of pure organic orange juice per day. So, mentors, makakain ba natin yan sa sa per day po natin, or maiinom ba natin ng 7 glasses of pure organic orange? Make sure na pure organic po ang kakainin natin, yung fruits and vegetables, and yung orange juice po kailangan din po is organic in order na proper functioning of our immune system. So ang calcium, you have to drink 11 glasses of pure cow's milk. Kailangan makainom ka ng pure cow's milk. So, yung walang halo talaga. And ano, in order na mabigyan tayo ng proper functioning of immune system. Okay? So, hindi siya Okay, pure organic barley has full of vitamins, complete vitamins. Okay? An marami pong vitamins ang ating barley. So meron po siyang phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, vitamin A, folate, iron, and zinc. Okay? And also the vitamin B6. Excuse me. And also, these are the benefits of our barley. Okay? Condition responsive to barley. So, alam naman po natin yan. Ano po? So, kailangan din po na maituro din po natin yan sa mga leaders natin. Okay? Ang ano po, meron po tayo ditong 4 stages of healing. Ito po ay pinapadala ko din po ito sa mga clients ko para makita din nila kung paano nagwo-work ang ating barley sa katawan. So isinasama ko po 'yan sa like pag nagpapadala ka ng mga benefits, like yung benefits of barley natin, like ito, pinapadala ko po yan sa clients natin, at saka ito, including the 4 stages of healing. Okay? So, 4 stages of healing. First is the cleansing. Preparing your body is specifically your digestive system to receive nutritional intake. Nililinis ang digestive system po natin. Number 2, detoxification. The body naturally tries to purge itself to toxic waste materials and unnecessary salts, proteins, and acids. So, dinidetox nyo po tayo. So, inilalabas po yung mga toxin sa loob ng katawan natin. Pangatlo po is nutrients assimilation. The body assimilates all the foods that you consume during the day and then processes the nutrients. Okay? So, inilalabas niya ang lahat na food na nakukonsume during the day and then processes the nutrients. So, kailangan po talaga nagbabowel movement tayo ng 1 to 3 times. Okay? So, pang-apat po is cell regeneration. It is regeneration, the process of renewal, restoration, and growth that makes genomes, cells, organism, and ecosystems resilient to natural fluctuation or events that cause disturbance or damage. It is natural also a process of replacing or restoring damaged or missing cells, tissues, organs, and even entire body parts to full function. The process of inaayos po ang natin ang mga cells natin, yung nawawala pong mga yung namamatay pong mga cells po natin, ibinabalik po niya. Okay, it means na regenerate niya ang mga damage ng natin, internal organ. Okay? Health benefits of barley is the immune system booster due to the large amounts of chlorophyll that helps build the body's blood count. Okay. Next is detox. Chlorophyll is antibacterial and helps purify your liver and remove toxin. Next is the alkaline. Alkaline helps balance your body from all the acidic foods most people consume. Kasi kapag po yung ang tao po ay acidic, marami pong nagpo-form na mga karamdaman or nagpo-form na mga sakit. Okay, weight loss stimulate your thyroid gland, which ultimately gives your metabolism a boost. Okay, according to Dr. Hagiwara, barley has been mentioned in the Bible 37 times. And ito po ang mga kinakain ng mga ancient people noon, yung mga kanunuan natin. Kaya po sila ay mahaba ang buhay kasi po ang barley po ay kinakain po talaga nila. So kaya ang mga ano po natin noon yung mga kanunuan, yung mga ancient people po is talagang mahahaba ang buhay, umaabot sa 100 plus. But ngayon po, dahil kumakain po tayo ng mga processed food, mahilig tayong uminom ng soda, ng mga kung ano-ano. So, um, hindi na po inaabot ng 100 years old. So, mga bata pa po, nagkakaroon na ng sakit sa puso or blood pressure. So, minsan yung iba, ayun, nagkakaroon ng heart attack. So, mga bata pa ngayon, nagkakaroon na ng heart attack. Hindi po kagaya noon na talagang inaabot po talaga ng napakahabang buhay ang mga natin noon, mga kanunuan natin. Okay? So, next is in order na makuha po natin ang 68 micronutrients, kailangan po makakain tayo ng 7 oranges. Kailangan makakain tayo ng 25 bananas. And we need also 6 apples na makain po natin yan a day. And also, kailangan din po makainom tayo ng 11 glass of milk. Okay? So, since we have a barley, so madali na po nating makuha yung 68 micronutrients. Hindi na po natin kailangan yan. Okay? So, sometimes kumakain din naman tayo ng banana, pero minsan isa lang or kalahati lang hindi natin nauubos. Kahit na yung isang apple, hindi rin natin maubos. So, yung milk nga, hindi sa isang araw, hindi nga rin po ako nakakainom niyan eh. So, next po natin is Choco Barley. This amazing Choco Barley drink mix helps boost energy and strengthens the immune system. Barley helps cure and prevent allergies. It is also aids the body to fight off colds and flu. The wala. The choco flavor is perfect for kids and adults alike to fill nutritional gaps. It destroys cancer cells and a great source of antioxidant. Okay? So, magandang din naman natin, ang choco barley natin ay same din ng benefit ng ating green barley. Okay? Dinagdagan lang po siya ng dinagdagan lang siya ng cocoa powder para po sa mga bata na mahirap pakainin ng vegetables or mahirap pakainin ng fruits. Lalo na yung barley, hindi nila yun makain. Hindi nila yun mainom. Okay? So, kaya dinagdagan po siya ng cocoa powder. Okay? So, pwede din po yan sa mga adults, hindi lang po sa mga bata. Okay? And also, gamit niya din po dyan is meron po siyang stevia. Okay? So, ang stevia po natin, here are some benefits of the stevia. Stevia is a zero calories. That doesn't promote cavities, steady energy, balances blood sugar, improves bad microbes in gut. Hold on. Ano ba yan? Okay? And not like white sugar. Ang white sugar po is makes you fat, rots your teeth, sugar rush followed by crash, contributes to diabetes risk factors, contributes to heart disease risk, feeds bad bacteria, yeast, and parasite. Okay? Stevia is a natural sweetener and plant-based sugar substitute derived from the leaves of the plant species called Stevia rebaudiana, native to Brazil and Paraguay. The active compounds are stevia glycosides, which have about 50 to 300 times the sweetness of sugar, are heat stable in pH stable and not fermentable. Okay? So, stevia is also a non-nutritive sweetener, contains little to no calories. Okay? So, non-nutritive sweetener po siya. Okay. So, amazing, ano po, we have amazing coffee latte and amazing cafe mocha. Okay. This amazing coffee latte and coffee mocha with barley and alkaline helps in the treatment and prevention of cancer. It aids in cleansing and detoxifying the body. It is a great source of antioxidant and helps control cholesterol level. It helps boost energy and strengthens the immune system. As for the alkaline content, it helps the body to less likely suffer from chronic diseases. It also balances the pH level of the body, making it all ideal drink for acidic people. Your coffee made healthy and delicious latte and mocha flavor. Okay, and also use stevia. A sugar substitute is a non-nutritive sweetener, contains little to no calories. A healthy coffee, ready and available for all coffee lovers who want to enjoy their daily cup of coffee without having a worry about effects of dairy or acid in their bodies. Okay, so um, amazing cafe and coffee latte and coffee mocha with the barley and alkaline blend, especially created for both coffee and chocolate lovers who want to enjoy a cup of coffee without worrying about the effects of dairy acid in their body. It is not secret that many people, especially tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa kape. So, we always love coffee, di po ba? So, even mainit sa Pilipinas, talagang kape na po talaga ang iniinom natin every day. Okay? Although drinking too much coffee can do major damage in our body if we are not careful. Coffee is highly acidic and can stimulate the hyper secretion of gastric acid, which can irritate the stomach. Okay, also tends to speed up the process of gastric emptying, which may result in highly acidic stomach contents passing into the small intestine more rapidly than normal. That's why at I Am Worldwide have created amazing cafe, mocha, and cafe latte with barley and alkaline. Kasi po kapag meron tayong alkaline sa katawan natin is um, um, hindi po mas maganda po 'yon. So which is na ang coffee po natin is merong alkaline which formulated to allow best Arabica coffee beans as well as to combat to harmful effects of daily coffee intake. So ang ginagamit po natin ng coffee beans dito is Arabica. Okay? So, in coffee drinking, through infusing with barley and alkaline, Arabica is used and it is the finest coffee plant and originated in Ethiopia. Some of the health benefits of drinking Arabica coffee are almost zero calories. Okay? Loaded with antioxidant, contains less caffeine than other coffee beans, reduce the risk of diabetes and cancer. Okay? So, mocha is the infusion of cocoa and chocolate and coffee. And it is rich in barley and alkaline. We use cocoa powder in order to give the perfect chocolate in taste. While it is all important to remember that chocolate still contains significant quantities of sugar in fat. Cocoa powder has numerous health benefits, rich in polyphenols, which have significant health benefits, including reduce inflammation and improves cholesterol levels, may reduce high blood pressure, and also rich in flavonols, which lower blood pressure. So nakakatulong din po sa ating blood pressure. Helps also lower risk of stroke and heart attacks. It can improve blood flow and reduce cholesterol. Eating up to one serving of chocolate per day may reduce your risk of heart attack, heart failure, and stroke. So kailangan din pala natin na kumain ng chocolate, one serving a day. So kunti lang. It's better na we can eat the dark chocolate. Yun po ang mas maganda para sa atin, especially yung may mga diabetes. So kailangan din natin yun. Okay? So, why not have it via our amazing coffee latte and coffee mocha? So yun na lang po ang iinumin natin. Kahit hindi na tayo kumain ng chocolate na one serving a day. So kahit uminom na lang po tayo ng one sachet per day ng coffee latte or coffee mocha kasi po meron po siyang barley and alkaline. Okay? So hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng acid doon. And it has antibacteria and immune stimulating properties which may benefit your teeth and skin. Okay? So next po natin is amazing cafe mix with Tongkat Ali. Okay? Tongkat Ali, which formulated using finest Arabica coffee beans blended with Tongkat Ali powder. Some of the health benefit of drinking Arabic coffee are almost zero calories, loaded with antioxidant, contains less caffeine than other coffee beans, reduces the risk of diabetes and cancer. Okay, so and also help shield the body from damaging effects of modern chronic stress by improving the stress hormone profile and helps fight unwanted weight gain. It is a natural libido support, a remedy for AIDS-related sexual disorders, and promotes semen quality for men. This healthy coffee mix also promotes skeletal health and encourages um, normal blood sugar. It also helps improve certain mood state parameters and a great energy boosters too. Okay? And also, Tongkat Ali ay makukuha natin ito sa Southeast Asia. Throughout the region, the plant has been used for generation and traditional folk medicine for antimicrobial anti-malarial, anti-diabetic effects, and forfeited aphrodisiac properties. Okay. Um, for far forfeited aphrodisiac properties, nabubulol ako, means a substance is claimed or believed to have the ability to increase sexual desire or the ability to increase sexual desires or the improve sexual performance. So, contain and also contains with testosterone level. Nakakatulong sa mga kalalakihan na mabababa ang testosterone level. At nakakabigay ito na nakakatulong din sa mga male infertility. Doon po sa mga couple na hindi nagkakaroon ng anak, so marami na pong natulungan ng ating barley also because may kahalo din po siyang barley. Okay? So, sa mga kalalakihan, sa woman naman po, makakatulong sa mga merong menstrual cramp. So, maganda din po ito na coffee with tungkat ali, hindi lang po sa mga kalalakihan, kundi nakakatulong din po sa ating mga kababaihan. Um, So, nakakatulong din po sa mga kalalakihan na ang problem sa meron silang problem sa erectile dysfunction, male infertility, athletic performance, and muscle condition. Okay? Um, so, tongkat ali is also known along jack, Oricoma longifolia jack, Malaysian ginseng, and pasak bomay is a bitter tasting herb extracted from the Iricoma shrub grown in Malaysia and Asia. The Iricoma longifolia jack extract is taken from the roots of the plant. So, tungkat ali benefits, increase energy, increase metabolism, stronger bones, stimulate muscle growth, enhance endurance, reduce blood sugar levels, decrease stress, burns fat, increase, bilis mo naman, increase in overall physical conditions, increase libido and sexual function. Okay, so next po natin is I am amazing coffee mix with glutathione helps reduce oxidative stress by raising the antioxidant level of the body. It helps repair cell damage and assist in the storage and transport of amino acids. Glutathione also helps improve liver function by reducing cell damage and alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It may also help fight against autoimmune disease by eliminating free radicals. So, meron din po akong kakilala na meron po siyang fatty liver and uminom po siya ng this amazing coffee mix with glutathione. So, natulungan po yung naging normal po ang kanyang liver. Okay, so, okay. Meron po siyang six main benefits of coffee with glutathione. Helps in detoxification, helps repair damaged cells caused by stress, radiation, pollution, infection, ailments, assist and storage and transport of amino acids, helps with the health of the liver, help fights against diseases, powerful antioxidant. I am amazing coffee mixed with glutathione formulated with finest Arabica coffee beans blended with glutathione powder. Arabica coffee are the yon nabanggit din natin yun sa almost 0 calories, and glutathione is a premier anti-aging antioxidant, is widely used to help fight the signs of aging. Glutathione um, yields in skin benefits. Nakakapaputi po siya. Non-dairy creamer is used and also they used stevia. Okay. Glutathione benefits increase energy, slow down the aging process. Okay. And reduce muscle and joint discomfort, strengthen immune system, detoxifies the liver and cells, uh, im- improves mental focus and clarify, improves quality of sleep, reduce the effects of stress, improves the skin, athletic performance, and recovery. Okay, so glutathione is a substance made from the amino acids glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. It is produced by the liver and involved in a many processes. It acts as an important antioxidant in your body. That means it helps combat free radicals. Glutathione is a vitally essential cell protectant. It directly prevents reactive hydroxyl free radicals, various other oxygen centered free radicals, and radical centers on DNA as well as other biomolecules. Okay? Next po natin is Amazing Slim Coffee Macchiato. Here's health benefits. Meron po siyang health boost metabolism, slimming, reduce cravings that helps burn fats, energy and immune system booster, glutathione repairs damaged cells. And also, what's in the Amazing Slim Coffee Macchiato? Meron po siyang aloe vera, antioxidant and antibacterial properties, help lower blood sugar levels, help accelerate wound healing, help reduce dental plaque, help reduce constipation, promote skin and nail health, and anti-wrinkles. And meron din po siyang um, tawag nito, guarana. Guarana. Ano. It is plant native. Ang guarana is a plant native to the Amazon basin in South America. Guarana seeds have been consumed by indigenous communities in the Amazon region for centuries, both as an energy source of as a natural medicine for conditions such as headaches, period pain, and digestive disorders. Increase energy, enhance cognition, reduce inflammation, promotes weight loss, anti-aging property, helps relieves chronic digestive issues, boosts heart disease, heart health, reduce cholesterol, pain relief, skin improvement, help protect eye health. Meron din po siyang kasama ng car carnitine. Boost weight loss, improves cognitive function, increase lipid metabolism, helps to improve physical performance and faster recovery. Natural L-carnitine from brain, liver, and kidneys helps our body turn fat into energy. Help promote health and of brain, heart, and blood vessel. And next is Arabica coffee, slightly sweet flavor with hints of chocolate, caramel, nuts, fruits, and berries. No wonder napaka-delicious niya kasi meron po pala siyang chocolate, caramel, nuts, fruits, and berries. Yeah. So, meron din po siyang Garcinia cambogia. Okay? Helps suppress appetite and therefore aids with weight management, relief of joint pain and digestive symptoms, help improve athletic performance, help with prevention and reduction of accumulation of visceral fat in the females and males. And meron din po siyang glutathione, help reduce all damage in alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, improves insulin resistance and or older individuals, reduce anti-oxidative stress. The antioxidant combat free radicals that damage our DNA and impede normal cell function. Okay? Oxidative stress is linked to the chronic disease including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and diabetes. Strengthened hair and nails help with skin elasticity and wrinkles may improve psoriasis. And meron din po tayong amazing black coffee with organic barley. Help boost metabolism, helps to reduce cravings, good source of antioxidant, aids in weight loss, only 2 grams of carb po siya and zero sugar. Okay, so maganda po yan yung mga watch po ng weight, maganda din po yan. So meron din po tayong Garcinia Cambogia. Garcinia Cambogia, or more popular known as the purple box, helps reduce your appetite and belly fat by blocking the production. It also helps decrease insulin and leptin levels and reduces inflammation. Garcinia Cambogia also helps improve blood sugar control and boost the digestive system and refreshing grape juice flavor. Okay, so makakatulong po ito sa ano natin, weight loss. Okay? So, Garcinia, Garcinia Cambogia, a tropical fruit known as the Malabar tamarind, as a popular weight loss supplement. People say it blocks your body's ability to make fat and put the brake in on your appetite. Loss of excess weight could help keep blood sugar and cholesterol level in check too. Okay? So, meron din po siyang natural serotonin booster, sunshine, reduced sugar, vitamin B, positive thinking, protein, nut and seeds, massages, physical exercise, meditation. Okay? And what is in a Garcinia Cambogia? This is a pumpkin-looking fruit found in Southeast Asia. High concentrate and oxycitric acid, or HCA, help suppressing appetite. Made popular by the celebrity Dr. Uz. Supposedly one of the most powerful diet supplement ever uncovered. Okay, so Garcinia Cambogia improves immune function, elevates mood and energy, boosts metabolism, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol, fat blocker, appetite suppressants, aid the digestive system. Okay, so boost your okay, how does it work in our body? Okay, the HCA, hydroxycitric acid. Active ingredients in the RAND feel and inhibits blocks an enzyme called citrate lase, which our body uses make fats. Also, raises level of brain chemical serotonin, or the unhappy, or the happy hormones. These may enhance your mood and reduce stress related eating, appetite suppressant. Okay, so maximum intake 3 times a day, 30 to 45 minutes before meal, empty stomach. Okay? So 16 weeks. So 16 weeks po natin or 4 months intake. Stop for 1 month to avoid body getting immune. Then continue another 16 weeks if desired. Okay? So kailangan natin 3 times a day natin yung gustong mag-lose weight. If follow natin ito na maximum intake 3 times a day, 45 minutes before meal. Okay? So empty stomach. So sa mga diabetic, pwede din to. Kaya lang, iinom ka muna ng barley followed by the Garcinia. And then after taking Garcinia, you can have also 1 glass of water. Kailangan sundan niyo po siya ng 1 glass of water. So yan po ang sabihin natin sa ating mga clients. Okay. So not allowed to take Garcinia Cambodia. Person with goiter will gain weight. So opposite po siya, instead na napapayat, hindi po siya papayat, lalo po siyang tataba. Okay? So asthma, yung may mga asthma, so magkakaroon po siya ng palpitation. Person getting diabetic, medicine, yung mga nag-insulin. Ako po diabetes ako, pero umiinom po ako ng Garcinia Cambodia. So inuuna ko muna yung barley. Okay? Barley then followed by the Garcinia. So yun doon po sa mga anemic, anyone under pain medicine, hindi po siya pwede. Anyone under psychotic medicine, and also pregnant women, lactating mothers, not for children only 18 years old and above. So, 18 years old pababa, 17 pababa, excuse me, hindi po siya pwede. If acidic, take barley first. Then after 30 minutes, drink the Garcinia Cambodia. Then another 30 minutes to uh, wait before taking actual meal. So, palagpasin nyo muna 30 minutes before meal. For better result and health benefits, best combo with pure organic barley. Okay? So, ito po, understanding, dito po tayo sa, okay, nakakapalo po ba mentors? Or mabilis po ba? Okay, next po natin is, ano, next po natin is acai berry. Okay? This amazing acai berry extract with collagen and Bacopa monnieri was created especially to protect the body from the damaging effects of free radicals, enhance one's memory while promoting skin elasticity. Formulated using the extract from the acai berries, which are loaded with antioxidants, marine collagen, which provides benefits for skin, gut, and bone health, promoting youthfulness, and Bacopa monnieri, which is known for enhancing one's memory as well, as possessing a calming, hold on, calming effect to ease stress from daily life. It is the modern man's way of giving your body a nutrient boost daily while simultaneously remaining ageless and alert in mind. Okay? So, meron po siyang 8 na tawag nito, mixture. So, ang acai berry po natin is they combine 8 amazing supplement. First is acai berry. Acai berry extract known as high antioxidant content that benefits the brain, heart, and overall health. Okay, and next is gotu kola, the herb or longevity effective in improving the memory, anxiety, effort, reduces depression, and ease insomnia. Okay? Pangatlo po is meron siyang marine collagen made from fish scales, which helps tissue strength without tearing, and helps fight inflammation and ease joint pains. Okay? So, pang-apat, omega-3 repairs the damaged cell membrane, has anti-inflammatory properties, and helps restore the skin and eradicates dryness. Number 5 is Bacopa monnieri, otherwise known as water hyssop extract, used for neurological rejuvenation and enhancing one's memory while processing a calming effect. A powerful brain tonic helpful for hair and insomnia relief from stress problem and powerful antioxidant. And next is ginseng, helps stimulate physical and mental activity who feel tired and weak, prevention and influenza, and respiratory viruses. Number 7 is turmeric, helps prevent cells from oxidizing, delays aging, and protects us from diseases. Increase the growth of new neurons and fights various degeneration, degenerative process in the brain. Okay, and also of course, meron siyang organic barley, destroy cancer cells, boosts energy, builds immunity against diseases, and treats and prevents allergies. Okay, so acai berry, amazing acai berry extract with collagen and Bacopa monnieri. So what exactly, and that's all exactly in the yung mga mixture po niya. Okay? So rich and acai berries rich in antioxidant, support health, heart health, boost brain's function, enhance skin health, aids and digestion. So, and also, ano talaga ito, boost brain function. So, maganda po ito sa ating brain. So, kailangan din po natin itong i-take dahil nakakatulong po sa brain natin. Okay? Next po is the health benefits. Help protect body from damaging effects of free radicals, enhancing one's memory and promoting skin elasticity, antioxidant for the skin, gut, and bone. Modern men's way the giving your body nutrients both daily. Okay, and also meron po tayong amazing immunology, vitamin C. So kailangan po natin ng vitamin C para po sa production of our white blood cells, maintenance ng ating cartilage, bones, and teeth. So, vitamin D, meron siyang, kailangan din natin ito. It can be hard to get enough vitamin D, lalong-lalo na tayo dito sa, sa US. Okay? So, kailangan po natin, vitamin D. So, and also, amazing immunity is also have a zinc. So ang body po natin kailangan ng zinc para it helps the body combat bacteria and viruses, especially sa panahon sa panahon ngayon ng taglamig, tag-ulan. So kailangan po natin 'yan to make sure that your body gets the proper amount of zinc. Okay? Supplement are needed. Immunity carries high quality, pure and potent zinc. So kailangan po natin yan. Isabay po natin yan din sa pag-inom natin ng barley. And also, moringa oleifera. So, alam naman natin ang moringa, di po ba? So, marami palang benefits ito. And it is a plant that has been praised for its benefits for thousands of years. It is rich and healthy antioxidant and bioactive plant compounds. Moringa oleifera is loaded with vitamins B1, B2, B3, and B6, and B7. Ang galing, ano? Moringa is unique in that contains high amount of all five and those essential B vitamins. Essential B vitamins are thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin are abundant in Moringa oleifera. So, kumain lang tayo ng malunggay lalo na sa Pilipinas. Hindi po ba? sa Moringa oleifera is a caffeine and stimulant free. People who take moringa powder have reported significant increase in energy throughout the day. Why is that? Sabi nga na, no? That is because Moringa oleifera is unique and that contains both high amounts of B vitamins. With the B vitamins, thiamine, and Moringa oleifera converts the sugar you eat into energy. So, um, napakaganda po talaga ng ng malunggay. Which in turn result in a stimulant-free, all-natural energy booster. So, habang binabasa ko ito kahapon, so inaano ko, ngayon ko lang na-realize na napakadami talagang malunggay natin. Napakadaming benefits, okay? So, stimulate free all natural energy booster. For stronger immunity and energy, take amazing immunergy every day. So, kailangan po natin yan every day. Excuse me. And meron din po tayong Amazing White ano tawag nito? Beauty vitamins. Meron din po siyang antioxidant, glow booster blend, detoxifies skin loving vitamins and healthy glowing skin. Okay? And also health benefits po ng Amazing Wet Glutathione. Amazing glutathione health benefits, help in having a healthy growing skin and hair, slows down aging process and detoxify the liver, strengthens immune system, reduce oxidative stress while repairing body tissues. Okay? And also meron tayong ang pinakabago po natin is the Power of Barley um, Awesome Premium Organic Barley Soap. Okay, meron po siyang organic barley extract. Meron po organic barley extract, help restore skin, reduce symptoms of irritation and inflammation, smoothen and soften the skin and increase the skin protective barrier. Sensorin is natural, organic, and preservative free ingredient in cosmetics and personal care products that is designed to improve the quality of sensitive skin. So maganda po pala ito. Help calm sensitive reaction skin, preventing the cycle of dermatitis and superinfection and minimizing symptoms of itching, burning, redness, tightness, and inflammation. Meron din po siyang allantoin. Helps restore skin, reduce symptoms of irritation and inflammation, smoothen and soften the skin and increase the skin's protective barrier. Rice brain oil, rich and essential fatty acids, vitamin E and mineral salt that help moisturize the skin and promotes circulation. It has healing, restructuring, soothing, and repairing properties. Sodium hyaluronate help increase moisture under the skin cells, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and dryness caused by lack of nourishment. So, naku, kailangan ko pa din pala itong kasi syempre nagkakaroon na tayo ng wrinkles. So, maganda din po pala ito, reducing wrinkles. Okay, next is green caviar extract. Okay, so meron din pala siyang green caviar extract. Has a high content of amino acids in powerful antioxidants that strengthen the skin protection, maintain its elasticity, retain moisture, and boost collagen production for smoother, plumper skin. Okay, and also meron tayong, okay, hold on. Okay, everyday exposure radiation may cause diseases, even the protect, hold on.
Hindi ko makita. Okay. So, sabi nga ni Andrew Weil, electromagnetic pollution may be the most significant form of pollution human activity has produced in this century. All the more dangerous because it is invisible and accessible. So, um, meron din po tayong protection diyan. Okay? Meron po tayong amazing elite scholar. So, this amazing elite scholar energy pendant um, helps the body biofield to increase its power and helps the cells to become more active and effective that maximize the body's capacity to heal itself and promotes good sleep. Okay, and also helps the body biofield increase its power to help the cells become more active and effective. It maximizes the body's capacity to heal itself and promotes good sleep. The Scholar Energy Pendant is the best complement when taking medicines, digesting food, and during exercise. It natural blocks negative energy such as stress. So nakakatulong din po pala ito sa stress. And maganda din po ito sa mga anak po natin kasi sa maghapon um, hanggang gabi ang hawak nila is sa mga ano um, mga gadgets. So scalar energy pendant reduces inflammation, removes fatigue and tiredness, reduces stress, boosts energy levels, absorb negative energy, improves blood circulation, enhances the immune system, strengthen the body's biofield, protects from electromagnetic waves and negative radiation of mobile phones and laptop, etc. So, karamihan ngayon ng mga tayo adults and kids ay ano po tayo sa radiation. So kasi maghapon po hanggang gabi hawak natin ang o kaya na parati tayo sa laptop, nasa harap tayo ng computer, ng ating phone. Yung phone natin nilalagay natin sa katawan natin. Kaya maganda po ito sa ating katawan. So ako po meron po na kung ganyan. Kaya kailangan parating nasa bulsa ko po o kaya and then sa gabi naman po nilalagay ko sa higaan para po maano ang kasi um kung naalala nyo po yung nakaraang natin nakaraang tawag nito pandemic nagkaroon po tayong ng ng ang tawag nito mag-stop sharing lang ako nung nakaraang pandemic po na marami pong mga bata na hinihimatay na lang po dahil sa po sila sa radiation. Yung um, parati pong maghapon nasa laptop, nasa iPad, nasa phone. So po kailangan po natin ipagamit po yan sa mga bata. And then na tayo din po kailangan din po natin yung um, scholar pendant na yan kasi marami din pong benefits yun. So, akala ko pang palamuti lang natin yun or ano lang natin pero marami po palang benefits ang ating scholar pendant. Yung kaibigan ko po dito sa dito po sa malapit sa amin, yung apo po niya hinimatay that was nung pandemic kasi po umaga't hapon na umaga't gabi parating hawak niya is cellphone o kaya iPad. So yung radiation po na na po. So nung dalhin siya sa emergency room, wala naman pong nakitang sakit. Wala naman po lahat naman negative. May CT scan, may yung pala na ano ng doktor na ano na parating nasa nasa laptop maghapon o kaya nasa iPad. So yung radiation po na ano na sa utak niya. So ngayon hanggang ngayon parang bumabalik-balik sa kanya yung ano yung pagkahimatay or nawawalan siya ng malay. So wala namang makitang sakit. Kaya yun, kailangan nating ano niyan. Thank you so much, mentor. So